Hi everyone, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to make use of this website called Canva.com. Now Canva is a website that allows you to design, as this website says, anything. You can design posters, brochures, resumes, book covers, Instagram posts. The main feature of Canva that is really good for people who want to start is that they provide templates. So I'm going to give you an example of how you can make use of Canva. First, on the top right hand corner, you find this button called Create a Design. Under Create a Design, you can find a wide range of different features you can use. For example, you can create an Instagram post, you can create a book cover, you can create a flyer, a brochure, resume, a poster. So next time if you want to do science posters, you may want to click on this for a start. But in this particular tutorial, we're just going to explore the brochure function. Let's say you want to create a brochure that has segments. So after you click on brochure, you'll find that they'll provide you a template. This brochure has been divided very nicely into 3 segments for you to customize. Now, many of you may feel intimidated when you see blank. However, what's brilliant about Canva is that they provide a wide range of templates that you can use. Here, if you scroll down on the left-hand side, you see lots and lots of templates. Company brochures, to medical brochures. You may choose one of your liking and then you modify from there. If you feel like designing is not quite your skill. So for example, let's say I think this poster, this brochure's design is quite nice. So I could double click on this and here you go. The template has been imported. And let's say you want to make use of both sides of your A4 paper. So you can click add a new page and you can change and add a template here. Now I have 2 sides of an A4 paper that can fully maximize, and it's been nicely divided into 6 segments for me to play with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 segments for 2 sides of A4 paper. What are the things you can do after you've imported a template? Well, a few things. There are already preset images that you can shift around, or if you don't like it, feel free to delete it. Other than that, there are text box that you can use to change around. For example, let's say I'm creating a game manual, then this science chem doesn't quite make sense. Maybe I want to type game manual. Other than that, you can create more text boxes. You can create more text boxes by, for example, if you do a right click, you can copy and then you can paste. And in doing so, you get an extra text box that you can manipulate. Now this is just the most basic things you can do after you've imported a template. If you want to do much more, look to your left. On the left hand side, you can import photos. For example, this is a game manual. Maybe some photos you want to include are pictures of games. So here, I can import photos of my liking and position them wherever I like. If you don't want to import photos, one thing I find really beautiful are elements. Click on elements and you'll find a wide range of different logos you can use that have been created for you. So for example, let's say you're doing a science project. You could click science and it'll show you the wide range of logos you could use within your poster, brochure, or whatever you're creating. So let's say I think this is quite a nice design. All you have to do is to drag and drop. And there you go. So maybe I don't quite like this design. I can shift it around and now I've created a new design. Other than that, you can click on text on the left hand side. There are a wide range of pre-made fonts that you can play with. Videos, not so relevant to you. You could include videos if you're creating a digital poster. Background, you can edit the background, change the textures or the colors. For example, I can change the color. Or if you find that all of this is not enough, you could click on uploads and you can upload your own image. So these are some of the features you can use in Canva. I'm going to show you a sample product I've made after a round of testing all the features. Here you can see I've created a sample game manual. It is very sparse at the moment, but it gives you an idea of what you can do. Next, I'm going to show you how you can share all these functions with your friends. You can go back to the home manual, and then what you can do next is you see on the left hand side, you see team. Click on team. And what you can do once you clicked on team is that you scroll down and you find people. Click on people, and then inside under people, you can key in the email addresses of your friends. You can key in, I think, up to 9 of your friends inside. What will happen when you key in your friends' emails is that they'll become members of your team. When they become members of your team, all you have to do next is to go back to your brochure or your poster or whatever, click share, and under share, you'll see your team. Under your team on the right hand side, edit the feature such that your friends can edit it. On the same brochure, they can then edit the brochure. Now, the bad thing about Canva is that you cannot edit live, meaning to say this is not like Google Slides. You cannot edit and see each other editing. So what you can do if you want to edit together is that you pre-allocate which segment you want your friends to edit. So let's say friend A edits segment on the left, I edit the segment in the middle, friend B edits the segment on the right. That way you won't interfere with each other's design and you can work separately. And then all you have to do is click refresh and you'll see your friends' work. So this is the downside of Canva, is that you cannot see your friends editing the document live. And so there is a chance that you may accidentally delete your friend's work. So the way around it is to preset and pre-allocate which segments you want your friends to work on. That way you can kind of work together. Okay, so this is my little sharing of Canva. If you want more icons and you find that Elements doesn't quite provide the icons you require, you can go to this website called Flat Icon. Flat Icon provides a wide range of icons and vectors you can use. So for example, if you click just simply biology, you'll find a wide range of icons that you can use, that you can download and directly import it into your game manual. Right? So have fun, go and play around. And once you're done, what you can do is on the top right hand corner, if you scroll all the way down, you'll find Publish as Microsoft PowerPoint. When you click on that and download, you will download whatever you've done in PowerPoint. And that way you can take your PowerPoint and go and print it out or edit it a little further over there, such that it fits the dimension of an A4 page or whatever size you want. Right? So there's a little introduction on how to use Canva. And explore, have fun, especially when it comes to creating other designs. You could create a poster if you want to, and it comes with the same features. Thank you. I hope you found this tutorial useful.